Hello everyone. I am Giridhar and hope all of you are fine and safe at home. So myself and my friend Raidu have done project on automated number plate recognition. First, let us see the route map. First, I will introduce you to the project. Secondly, we'll see the working of it. Then we'll go to the results and then comes the summary. And after that, we'll talk about the applications, developments and the references used. So let us see about the introduction. The objective of this project is to recognize the license number from the number plate of a vehicle using image processing methods and machine learning models. In the first step, the image processed through various functions such that the resultant output is the image of the number plate. The second step, the image of the number plate is processed to segment the characters on the number plate. The third step, the characters segmented in the previous step are recognized using machine learning model. The result in the first step is that the number plate is separated. In the second step, the characters are segmented, and in the third step, the license number ID is recognized. So let us go to the second step of the route map, which is working. Let us see about number plate segmentation. So this is the car picture taken by camera. Then the car is processed to gray and then filtered. And then edge detection is applied. And then we use contour mapping to find the number plate. And the final result is the image of the number plate. For the character segmentation. Now, as you can see, the number is binarized so as to separate the image from the background. And the characters are segmented with the condition that the width is equal to 5 to 15% of the width and length is about 35 to 60% of the plate length. After the condition is satisfied, the characters are then segmented and resized to 20 cross 20 and ready for testing. Then we'll see about character recognition. First step is that we train machine learning model using 20 cross 20 pictures with all the characters. Then the total data set was divided into 4 parts using cross-validation, in which 3 parts are used for training and the rest are for testing. We make use of support vector machine SVM model as a model for our classification. Then the image is then tested from the weights obtained from training. The final result is the license number, as you can see over here in the image. Then we'll see a small execution video. So first we'll read the image, converting it to gray, then applying bilateral filter, then using can-use detector to find edges, using contours to find the license plate, saving the plate. So this is the code for reading the image, and this is for converting it into gray, and this is for blurring, this is for edge detector, this is for finding contours, and this is for segmenting the license plate. And then we save the plate image. Let's run this piece of code. And then let us display the different stages. So as you can see, here are the different stages. So we can see our number plate over here. Then the step 2 begins, reading the plate image and binarizing of the plate. So reading the plate image code is over here, then the binarization code. So let's run this. See, you can see the plate is binarized. Then we do segmentation of characters. Let's run this. The characters over here are segmented. Let's train the data. Okay, and see our cross validation for fourfold 96.4, 95.29, 98.8. Then let us test it. You can see the output is same as on the number plate over here. YJ65 YKN. Okay, let's get back to our presentation. So here are some of the important functions and libraries used. First function is bilateral filter in CV2 library, which is used to remove content and make transition from one color to another smooth. Then CVT color in CV2 library, which is used to convert RGB image to gray. Then we use the function canny in CV2 library, which is used for edge detection. Then we use find contours function in CV2 library, which is used to find contours. Then we use the function threshold.su in SK image library, which is used which is helpful for finding threshold value in binarization process. And we use the function cross-val score in sklearn library, which is used for cross validation. So next we come to our results part. So here's the results we have obtained. Let's go to our next part, which is the summary. So first, the camera captures the picture of the car. Then the captured picture is processed, and using contours, the license plate is recognized. Then the characters in the license plate are then segmented under specific size conditions. The segmented characters are recognized using SVM model, which is support vector mission model. Then the license number is obtained. So here we come to the last part of the route map: applications, developments, and references used. So let's see the applications. The main key areas where number plate recognition is used are traffic fines. An automated fining system makes use of the number plate recognition algorithm. Then car tracing. In case of the theft or crime, the vehicle of the transport can easily located with the help of number plate recognition. It can be very useful in cases of checkposts in the highway during toll payment, which saves a lot of time and human effort. Then we see the further developments. The accuracy of the images captured at a diagonal angle is very low, which is due to distorted characters and improper segmentation. Here you can see in the image, the number plate is over here. This particular example is very tough to recognize. More efficient character recognition models and better segmentation models can recognize in such a case. Then we come to the references. You can see the references over here for the introduction, history, and other links. Okay, that's it. Thank you.